Okay, this video is on word problems in the Systems of Equations chapter. So we will be using systems of equations to solve these. So let's go over this one. A soccer league bought a total of 41 soccer balls. If size 5 balls, that's just the size, cost $4 each, and size 4 balls cost $3, and the total amount which the league spent on balls is 148, how many size 5 balls did the league buy? So let's figure out all the information we have. We can write several equations. So the first thing we want to solve for size 5, so let's call that x, and let's call size 4 balls y. So we'll have x and y. And if the league bought a total of 41 balls, then the number of size 5 balls plus the number of size 4 balls is 41. So let's write that x plus y equals 41. Okay, so that's our first equation, because the league bought 41 balls, and of the size 5 balls and the 4 balls, there's 41. So now let's look at price. So the cost of size 5 balls is the number of them times how much they cost, and same with size 4 balls, the number of them times how much they cost, and the total spent was 148. So if size 5 balls cost $40, actually pull that off. Okay, so we said size 5 balls, which is x, those cost $4 each. So 4x plus size 4 balls cost $3 each, 3y equals 148. And this is probably the hardest part, is getting this system of equations. And once we have that, we can solve. So I would, my favorite way is to isolate x. So we'd say x equals y, or negative y plus 41, right? We subtracted the y onto the other side. And then we'll plug this into the second equation. So copy that. Then we get 4 times negative y plus 41 plus 3y equals 148. We get negative 4y plus 164 plus 3y equals 148. Then let's see, that's negative y, and then if we subtract, that's negative 4 plus 3y is negative y. So then subtract 164 from each side, we get equals, I'm gonna use a calculator for this one. Tap my calculator. So what did I have? 148 minus 164. That equals negative 16. Okay, so well, y equals 16. Okay, now let's figure out if x equals negative y plus 41. Then x, let's move this up a little bit. X equals negative 16 plus 41, and that is 15 minus 40, which is 35.25. So x is the number of size 5 balls, so the answer should be 25, and that's correct.